Do you also want to make money online without having to sell anything? Because we all know how hard and frustrating selling something to someone can be, whether online or offline. So today, I have brought you few websites that will pay you for selling nothing to your audience, friends, or family. These websites will simply pay you on a CPA or CPL basis. For those who are unaware of these digital marketing terms, a CPA means cost per action, where an action can be anything like a free sign up, trial sign up, a sale, or just a call. CPL is simply cost per lead, meaning you will be paid for just bringing in more users, more signups to the website. A lead simply means sign up. It can be trial sign up, but mostly it is always free sign up. So think about it. You just have to make someone put their email and password to a site, and that's it. You make money. In the last video, I told you all how or if you can make money with the text broker website and promised you all to bring much better ways to make money online. So this is the video where you will learn to make money for real without having to sell anything to anyone. Visit shifuguide.com and search for CPA marketing. Here you see two articles on how to make money online with affiliate CPA marketing, and the other is the website list where you can apply to become a CPA marketer. You can go through these two articles if you want a complete guide on the legit ways to make money online. Now let's talk about how much money you will make per sign up in CPA marketing. This question has no fixed answer as it totally depends on the offer, how much is the offer willing to pay you. But bear in mind that these offers are always country specific, which means they only accept sign-ups from few specific countries, not all countries. America being common in all offers, and usually you will be asked to bring signups from countries like Australia, UK, Canada, and other high tier countries, and you can actually get paid up to $5 or even $10 per signup. Now, I will prove it to you in a moment. You don't have to believe my words. See for yourself. The first CPL affiliate program where you can make $0.20 per free sign up is Grammarly. I'm pretty sure you all have heard of Grammarly by now. It runs a lot of advertisements. But did you know if you refer Grammarly to any friend and they sign up with your link, you make $0.20. And if they buy the premium plan, which is like $30, you get a $20 commission. Now, this was just for information because we kind of all know they won't be buying a $30 plan at all. The best thing about Grammarly is it accepts leads from all over the world. You can just share your affiliate link and make your friends sign up right now and start your earnings with it right now. Now, please do not think of signing up with your own link multiple times, as this will get you blocked because they track the IP addresses from where they receive any leads. This is the first thing that comes to a beginner when they hear about making money online by just signing up to a site. Search for its affiliate program and apply to become an affiliate for them. The next program is Ibotta. Ibotta is similar to a cashback app, but it has a lot of offers and features than just a cashback app. Currently, this app is only available in the USA, but people from outside the USA can sign up for its affiliate program and earn $2 per sign up. Yes, $2 per sign up is real. If a person from the US registers on the website with your link, you get a good commission of $2. You can sign up as an affiliate for the site on Share a Sale and get approved to become one of their affiliates to promote and earn $2 per sign up. The next program is similar to Grammarly, and the software itself works exactly like Grammarly. The Ginger software is a great alternative for the Grammarly tool, and the affiliate program and their commissions are almost the same. Ginger pays $0.20 per sign up, just like Grammarly, and provides 50% commission on premium plan purchase. Now, these three programs are enough for you to start making money online without selling anything, which is pretty hard for beginners. Now, what about making $5 per sign up, right? Well, that is not for beginners, but I will show you how I made a commission of $6.40 per sign up in the next video. That's all for this video. If you want to know about how I made $6.40 per sign up, then subscribe to the channel and wait for the next video. You will surely love it.